Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching it from. My name is Abiodun James.
I'm Mark.
We are on site right now. As you can see, we are taking the level. This is the user water level. You can see this is our level. This is our level. Installation begins. Like I said in my previous video. So installation begins. This is the first step. Taking the level. This is the first step. So you can see we're at Makogi, Ogun State, Nigeria. Check it out.
Mark.
So we have transferred the level. You can see the installation begins soon. So you can see this is Redeemed Church of God, Makogi, Ogun State, Nigeria. When we are done with the water level, we'll be tapping the line. We'll be tapping the line, as you can see. This is laminated gypsum ceiling. You can see very strong design. Very strong design. Very strong design. You can see very strong. This laminated ceiling, being laminated front and back. It's very lovely for your project. And then we have the crusty. We have the crusty. We have the mirror now. We have the wall angle. Here's the mirror now and the wall angle. You can contact us on 0806309 8718. This is the wire, the suspended wire, as you can see. And here is the tornado name. Here is the tornado name. Tornado name. See, this tornado name. You can contact us on 080 6309 8718. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. We update you as soon as we start the installation. Thanks for watching.